This is G. Venkateswar Rao, Assistant Professor in the Department of CSE, CIET. We are discussing functions in Python. This is the syntax of the function in Python programming. See the syntax. DEF keyword is there. DEF, that is function definition. Function underscore name, that is the name of the function. Within the parenthesis, parameters are there. Statement 1, statement 2, and so on. These are the function body. The keyword DEF introduces a function definition. Input parameter is placed within the parenthesis and also define parameter inside the parenthesis. Colon, the code block within every function starts with a colon. Return statement exits a function block, and we can also use return with no argument. Functions. Python provides a collection of standard code stored in libraries called modules. In C programming, libraries are stored in header files. For example, stdio.h, that header file contain printf, printf, scanf, library functions. Whenever we will use printf, scanf, we must include stdio.h header file, stdio.header file. Like that Python also, that libraries are called modules. Example, root equal to sqrt of 25. Sqrt is a library function that contained the module math. In Python programming, like Java, import library files. Here we import math module. In math module, sqrt function, all mathematical functions are stored in math module. See also coming examples. Next example, that is the first example is the library function using. That means predefined functions usage. Example 2, this is a user defined function. DEF, function definition. Add is a function name of the function. Parenthesis, empty parenthesis and colon. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to A plus B, that is return C equal to add, print C. Here this example supports the previous syntax of the Python programming. Calling a function. To call a function, use the function name followed by parenthesis. DEF, function definition, my function, that is the name of the function, parenthesis, colon, print hello from a function, my function. Here my function is a calling function. Parameters and arguments. Parameters are the variables which used in the function definition. Parameters or arguments. Parameters or arguments are input to the function. Input to the function. Parameters are inputs to functions. Parameters receives the input from the function call. It is possible to define more than one parameter in the function definition. Parameters are two types. Parameters or arguments are two types: formal parameters and actual parameters and formal parameters. And arguments are same. These are the two names. Parameters, input to the function. Parameters or arguments are both are same. The function definition. It is possible to define more than one parameter in the function definition. Arguments are two types: actual arguments, formal arguments. Actual is nothing but current arguments. Parameters, actual, that means original. Formal, that means duplicates. Types of parameters or arguments. These are the different types of parameters or arguments. Required or positional parameters. First one is required or positional parameters. Second one is keyword parameters. Third one is default parameters. Fourth one, variable length parameters. Standard mathematical functions. Before I told to you to use mathematical functions under this module, you have to import the module using import math. In Java also like that, import header files. In C programming we are called header files. In Java, library functions import. Like that, Python also import here library functions modules. We called modules. Here math is a module. In that, all mathematical related functions, predefined functions stored in math module. Here a hash, import math hash, square root calculation. Import math.sqrt of 4. Math.sqrt of 4. In math module, sqrt function is there. So whenever we are using sqrt function, we must import math module to our program. Math.sqrt, that means math module.sqrt function of 4. Here is another example. Import math math.py value. Py also a predefined function. And math.ceil 3.14, that is rounded to. Here ceil means nearest, uppermost value. Floor means lowermost value. Math.ceil and math.floor. Math.e, exponential value. And math.factorial. Math.factorial of 5, that is 120. Math.power 10,3, 10 power, that is 1000. Math.sqrt 10, 3 point something. Math.logarithmic values. Math.log 100 base 10, 2. Like that, a math module contain all mathematical predefined functions. Okay, see this another example. Import math, print math dot logarithmic values. These are all the logarithmic example. Okay, like that. Date functions. Date functions. From date to time, input to date, import date. Date dot today. Date time dot date 2023/18. From date to time, import date, td equal date dot today, print td 2020/03/18. Print td dot month, month is 03. Print td dot year 2020. Print td dot day, that is 18. This is the date format. Okay.